Welcome to Clermont, Danieltown, Trelawny, where an exciting investment opportunity awaits. This charming home sits on approximately 8 acres of prime development land, minutes away from Falmouth town and 3 major housing developments. This investor-type property comes with a preliminary subdivision plan of 31 individual lots. This home has exotic cut stone finish with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a single-car garage, and a self-contained studio apartment. To learn more about this property, contact Amelia Brown at 876-332-2169 for more information on this great opportunity.